Children of the world, today we're going to learn all about the cells that make up your body. Your body is made up of all different kinds of cells. Some of them are very generic, that means they have basic functions. Some cells are very specialized. Cells allow your heart to beat, your brain to think, and your body to run and jump. Today's cell that we will be looking at is the blood cell. Now there is not just one type of blood cell, there are several different kinds. Blood cells all come from the same kinds of precursors, but then over their development they specialize into different kinds of cells. These main types of blood cells are red blood cells and white blood cells. Red blood cells are involved in transportation. They act like a taxi cab service to deliver oxygen and nutrients all over your body. White blood cells are the body's soldiers. They form part of the immune system and they will line up to defend your body against any invading parasites, viruses, bacteria, and other threats to your system. Okay, let's begin with red blood cells. A red blood cell has got a flattened donut shape. This gives it a greater maximum surface area. This surface area allows it to be absorbent for all different kinds of molecules that are essential to your body's functioning. We have a high concentration of red blood cells in our body, and this is why your blood looks red if you cut yourself. Red blood cells have got metal in them. They've got a component called heme, which is made out of iron. Iron is present in teeny tiny quantities in your body. But what this does, it is very specialized at binding oxygen. Each heme molecule in a red blood cell can bind 4 molecules of oxygen, therefore massively increasing its capacity to carry oxygen around your body. Where people are healthy with healthy red blood cells, their body is very efficient at delivering oxygen. But sometimes there can be problems. For some people, their red blood cells are the wrong shape to carry oxygen around the body effectively. What happens then is this person gets a condition called sickle cell anemia. And they sometimes have issues with bleeding disorders. This is an inherited condition. Other issues might be iron deficient anemia, where the body is not prepared to invest so much of its iron stores in blood because iron is low in the diet. To treat this condition, you can increase your levels of dietary iron from fortified cereals, green leafy vegetables, and red meat. You can also take supplements of iron. If people have got conditions where their blood cells are low or they are not making them in sufficient quantities, what will happen is that you could get sick. It is important to keep all of your body's balances harmonized with nature and to get everything that your body needs. Red blood cells are pumped around the body by the heart. The heart is a muscle and it pumps all of your blood cells around your body with such force that the blood cells can visit even the bottom of your tiny little toe. White blood cells form part of the immune system. They are the body's defenders against invaders. There are different kinds of white blood cells. Some that are responsible for gobbling up invading bacteria. Some that are responsible for fighting viruses. Some that are responsible for mitigating the body's immune response where allergies are present.